How to become a licensed driving instructor in Australia. Carry National Police Certificate, not older than 3 months and valid until the application process. You have to provide the proof of identity for the application. Download and fill the application Form E-175 and submit it to the Department of Transport. Submit the required documents along with the application form. After submission of the application, complete the theory assessment conducted by the Department of Transport. Carry the medical form issued after applying by a health professional and submit the form directly. If you pass the assessment, you have to pay the license fee. Receive your driving instructor license and accompanying booklet within 5 days. Thank you. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.